Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look at the Aussie versus US dollar. The Reserve Bank of Australia kept the rates unchanged last night at 4.35%. They'd also kept the potential that they could raise rates. In other words, they didn't take it away, saying that rates have reached their peak. That has helped to push the Aussie versus US dollar to the upside, but there has been a limit. And there are still some targets that we need to get to and through on the top side to increase the bullish bias. I'll show you what those levels are in this video. I'm going to start by taking a look at the hourly chart here and then move to the 4-hour chart. In trading yesterday, the Aussie versus US dollar moved lower, but then we saw the market rebound here through the RBA rate decision. The price moved up to this red line right here. I'll talk about that in a second. Also, just above that is the 100-day moving average that comes in at 0.65285. And you can see that the price high for the day came up short of that red line at 0.65229. And also well short of the 100-day moving average. Falling 100-hour moving average is also in play at 0.65348. So what does this red line represent right through here? And you can see some of the history and what that line comes going back to these lows right here, which bottomed right near that 0.65229. But if you go to the 4-hour chart and you take a broader look at this level right here, here are those two levels more recently, and you go back in time, you can see that there was also a swing low right here. There's a swing low right here near that level. There was a swing high going back here, and also swing highs going back to way back here. So there's a number of different times that the price has found something to cause it to either move to the upside or move to the downside at the 0.65229 level. And as you can see in trading here today, the price moved up toward that level, found early sellers against that level and pushed back to the downside. We are seeing a rotation back to the upside here, and in the process getting back above the 61.8% retracement of the move up from this low right here to this high right here. That low comes in at 0.6499. Let's call it 0.6500. And although the price is traded above and below that level, trading here today, being back above it at 0.6510 is more bullish now for the pair. The question is, can it get above the 0.6523 level? Can it get above the 100-day moving average at 0.65285? If it can, then this break to the downside that we saw in trading yesterday would lose some of its juice, some of its negative juice, its bearish juice to the downside. We could see further upside momentum with the this swing area, and also the 200-day moving average and 100-hour moving average and 50% retracement. That cluster of resistance right here as a potential target on further corrective move to the upside. So there you have it, a technical look at the Aussie versus US dollar. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.